A clue, a clue, a clue!
Yeah, that Mentos I'm chewing tastes really minty.
No, it's a clue!
Oh, you see a clue. Where?
Right there!
Oh yeah, right there. Our second clue is this puppy. Hey, you know what we need? Our handy dandy
Notebook!
notebook. Right. All right, let's draw our second clue. So first, let's draw the puppy's head like this. An oval for the body, another oval for the nose, 2 dots for the eyes, 4 lines for the legs, and the tail. There, a puppy. Okay, so we're trying to figure out where the golden Easter egg is. Can you remember what our first clue was?
A house!
Oh yeah, right, a house. And our second clue is a puppy. So what could the golden Easter egg be with a house and a puppy? What do you think? Could be, but I think we'll need to find our last clue.
Where are the skyscrapers?
That sounds like Periwinkle. I wonder how he's getting along with the Easter egg hunt. Let's go see.